How to remove all headers and footers in Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. Then, at the top, click on Insert. In Insert, on the header and footer option, you'll find Header. Click on it. Then at the bottom in here, click on Remove Header, which will remove your header. You can do the same thing with footer. Click on Footer and then press on Remove Footer at the bottom. If you're still having some lines on your sheet, what you can do is double click on the sheets, then it will open header in this way. And at the top, simply click on header from top and footer from bottom. Make sure it's 0. After you've done that, go to Layout at the top. In Layout at the top left, you'll find Margins. Click on Customize Margins. Then make sure everything is 0 in here as well. Then press on OK at the bottom. After that, you're good to go. As you can see, the text cursor is at the top. And this is how to remove all headers and footers in Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.